Would you want to watch short midget porn?
Short midget porn? Nah, I watched that last night. I want to watch
No. I watched like a manly ass female like.
Get fucked?
Yeah.
Wait, you talking about in person?
By a skinny nigga.
You talking about in person or you seen a video?
Say on TikTok.
What?
I'm not doing it.
Yeah. Look. This man done put his favorite toy guns on the window, bro. Nah, that's crazy. You got all the bullets for the jet. Who that is? Block mom alert. Never mind.
Block mom alert. Where?
Right there. Look. You about to miss it.
Oh, I see it.
No.
Good ass, bro.
No.
I'm like for this.
Y'all messed with the dress today? And you messed with the dress today? You messed with the dress today? But my dress look fake now though, bruh. This one just said, "Oh, is your dress fake?" I was like, "Don't ever disrespect my grind like that, boy." Yeah. Don't ever disrespect my grind, boy. I was ugly for years.
Personally, I would say this.
Nah, I didn't. I was like, nah, you got me fucked up. Don't ever try me like that. Only I know the grind. Only I know the grind. It took with these dress, for real. Okay.
You need a 5.
I'm gonna get a 5. By the next month. By 2K. Yeah, I need a 5 for real. That's... What you doing right now, bro? What you doing, good?
I'm mad, bro.
Is it good?
But goddamn.
Oops, I'm sorry. This nigga got porn on his PlayStation. Oops. Can you go back on Madden? He just meant to put on his password. It's okay, buddy. I don't want to look at your history. Jesus.
Would you want to watch short midget porn?
Short midget porn? Nah, I watched that last night. I want to watch
No. I watched like a manly ass female like.
Get fucked?
Yeah.
Wait, you talking about in person?
By a skinny nigga.
You talking about in person or you seen a video?
Say on TikTok.
What?
Nah, send me the link for real.
No.
Shit, I look-key's mainly been getting piped by a skinny dude. Bro, that sounds so basic. That's a lot of, bro, you see those fat big blocks be getting piped by the skinniest hood niggas? No. Bro, before you never seen a big block female bro, that's such cap.
I tend to stay away from them.
My dog.
Why he sauce, bro?
You need sauce?
I can't eat dry nuggets, bro. I put lemon pepper seasoning on that shit. I'm an overdose, nigga.
Overdose on what? Lemon pepper sauce?
Yeah, lemon pepper always.
Imagine.
Nigga, I eat a fruit roll, nigga.
Look, he downed it too.
Hey, you know fruit roll up.
Can I get a piece, nigga?
Along
You
behind.
like candy? You don't like candy?
Bro, I promise you by the time I started recording, he just like opened the thing.
Bro, you on my dick.
I am on your dick, I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nigga, the king circle.
Oh, yeah, nigga. What you say?
Ain't no pause, nigga. Oh.
What you say, nigga?
She ain't got no condiments, bro.
She got no condiments, bro. Man, I just made tenders and I got no sauce. I gotta search the campus for sauce.
I ain't gonna lie, the fact that you made the tenders before knowing you have sauce is crazy.
No, I thought I had a bag of sauce, bro.
I thought you did too. You always so prepared, Nick.
Look, it's his fault, bro. It's his fault, bro. He made
Imagine
me
it's that nigga's fault, too.
sauce. You know he did bring? The Tabasco, bro.
You brought the Tabasco?
Did my grandma bought that?
Exactly, bro. Why she bring no ketchup, though?
I mean, she thought you had it.
That's no lie, bro.
She thought you had it, so she's like, oh, Nick got it, baby. Oh, I missed too. That's what's crazy.
You got an empty fridge.
Come all around FAU for sauce,
Come
bro.
all around FAU for sauces. This is crazy.
We gotta go out. We gotta go out to eat.
Shantae,
Yes.
do you have condiments?
Like ketchup and mayonnaise?
Yes.
Who made it say mayonnaise? I thought you could say ketchup and mustard.
Why your friend or something, right? You asked some shit.
Nigga, do you got any sauce?
You talking about like ketchup and mayonnaise? Nigga, no.
Can I get some sauce, please?
Barbecue sauce?
Shit, I'm gonna go get in my car.
Why would you drive a Heritage?
Bro, I'm not walking there.
Bro, you parked too far.
I don't care.
Bro,
What am I on, pancake?
they offer you butter for your
said
chicken
what?
tenders? That's actually crazy.
She talking about you got butter.
We
What am I
don't
put
need
butter
butter.
on
We don't need
chicken
butter
tender
for no
for?
chicken nuggets there.
Bro, do you have a knife? I got peanut butter and bread, but no knife.
Bro, are you spreading with your fingers, man?
I ain't used it yet, obviously, boy.
Nigga
Barbarian.
said he got peanut butter and bread with no knife.
But what bread are you talking
Nigga, you
about?
better use your finger, nigga.
Right, nah, bro, get for real. I mean,
Bro,
shit.
With
we're
no
not putting
sauce?
peanut butter on nothing, bro.
Why not get you
Wait, what?
Wait,
Where you
wait,
from?
what are y'all
Look at the
doing?
sauce.
Wait, whose phone is whose?
It don't-
Wait. Do you have barbecue sauce? Isn't that sugar-free shit? No sugar.
Shit.
Bro, cook this shit. Can I just get the ketchup, bro?
Bro, what's the difference between ketchup and barbecue sauce, to be honest? It's basically the
It's
same
really
shit.
a lot, bro. If you really
But
break it
listen,
down.
you got no ketchup, so barbecue sauce is the best
Bro,
option.
he want barbecue sauce. I don't give. I just want
So
the
wait,
sauce.
barbecue sauce, you just want
You
ketchup?
don't got no condoms.
It don't matter, bro.
Wait, what?
She talking about why we don't got no condoms.
What?
Bro, no one need condoms for
Chicken,
real.
focus.
Did you just say condoms?
I didn't say that. I didn't say it.
What?
What's happening? Johnny, you going with him?
To Heritage?
Yeah.
Might as
You wanna
well.
put ketchup in a cup?
But I don't feel like
Y'all said
No,
some
wait,
outlandish-
syrup on your chicken tenders?
But I put lemon pepper seasoning on it, bro.
Okay, but what about, okay, you can add syrup on that too.
No, what?
You forget,
What are you
bro,
talking about?
breakfast, nigga?
bro.
What are y'all doing?
Y'all bougie.
Bro,
Y'all
what
not
are
black
y'all
no more.
talking about
Y'all not
right
black no
now?
more. I thought y'all was from the gutter too.
Nigga, my chicken is
Bitch, I
getting
got
cold.
noodles in that motherfucker.
Okay, you never ate chicken tenders with syrup?
No, nigga.
That's so
Nigga,
dead.
well,
Are you
okay,
serious?
let's calm down. I have with
Okay.
chicken and waffles. But, nigga,
That's what
I
I
put
said,
lemon
not
pepper
breakfast,
seasoning
nigga.
on my chicken tender. I'm not putting syrup on that fucking chicken.
Bro, okay, you had no other options. You gotta be
You
like,
said choose that buttermilk, nigga.
at this point, just go with the fucking butter.
Get the buttermilk, nigga.
Hey, girl.
No, I ain't gonna lie, fuck Megan, cause Megan talking about me and I seen that TikTok, nigga. I seen your comment, nigga.
Damn, you're so
Oh,
aggressive
great,
with it,
nigga. What's
cuz.
up, nigga?
He's too aggressive, Jit. Meanwhile, this man. This nigga's literally holding a whole conversation right now. Imagine.
This is a, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Damn, this nigga's sexy.
Six what?
Yeah.
6-way conversation?
Six-way conversation?
Oh,
Nah.
yeah.
Pause.
Fuck ass, nigga.
Oh, you talking about six?
Oh,
Wait,
what?
wait.
Why? What's wrong with her sauce?
He's a bitch, bro.
What? Wait, how's it expired? Like she makes her own sauce?
No, bro.
The person itself is.
But it's a metaphor, bro.
Y'all gonna have to tell me after I stop recording this video.
I told you.
So how she expired? Her sauces be expired, dead ass?
It's a metaphor.
Yeah, but what's the metaphor for what?
If I explain the metaphor, it's not a metaphor anymore.
Okay, you can explain metaphors, cuz. Though she says her sauces is
I
expired.
don't know what other way we can explain it, bro.
She's a mid person.
She's a terrible person. Damn, all in my goddamn. Damn. No, I ain't gonna lie, you can't post this, nigga.
I know, obviously.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. I hope the feds don't rate us.
Yo, what?
Me and my brother.
I'm gonna say after you.
My brother.
Yes. Nigga, MTV crib. Anyway, nigga. So, nigga.
Hey, man,
wait,
fuck
what you
man.
say?
Okay, which one you is?
The motherfucker with the lowest health on the fucking show.
You was, just shut up. Your ass fucking Batman.
No, I'm not.
Your ass Batman just about to get knocked off the screen.
Nigga,
Just-
that's not me. You on my
Damn.
dick. You on my dick.
Nah, I am on dick.
fucking,
Okay.
okay,
Oh
yo.
yeah, you're about to die. You're about to die.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
my
They
dick.
on your dick for real. I hate when they be on dick balls for real too.
Dick balls is crazy.
You going to Heritage?
Yes, sir.
What you finna drive?
Yeah.
You said, yeah. Nigga.
So we making that
We
trip?
all not gonna fit, Jay.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I
Oh, go
ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. To be honest,
I don't got no Tahoe.
yeah, I low key got that.
Wait,
To be
how
honest.
you getting back to your room, John? Are you walking, nigga?
Nah, if it's raining, I am sleeping over in this bitch.
Nigga, with what blanket, nigga?
Nigga, you got like
Why
5
you all in my
blankets.
fucking-
You got 5
Nah, I do
blankets.
got 5
Yeah, just talking about if I sleep over with what blankets. Like I don't got. This man flawed. Jill's gonna dead ass look at me and say with what blankets. This man is one green guy. Y'all see this?
Nigga, you moving in for the first time. Are you already trying to goddamn spend the night, nigga?
Mine's already trying to spend the night for real too.
Somebody suck, bruh.
You got this nigga Nick still ain't leave to get the fucking barbecue sauce.
I can't eat until you bring it back.
What took you so long? What took you so long? I don't.
Chatting, bro.
What kind of fucking containers?
Oh, she wanna give me
Bro.
bro.
Why not?
I don't know, bro. Cause you're not gonna get that barbecue sauce back. Let's be fair.
I'm not gonna.
I ain't gonna lie. She
No, she didn't give me barbecue.
She green. She actually gave you a container, bro. That's the only reason why she wanted you. Like, yeah, she green as fuck. What?
Bro.
Ain't nothing cheesy about them.
Stop throwing them cheeses at me,
You
boy.
say you wanted them, nigga?
Nigga.
Anyway,
can you admit
why did you go on a 2-hour mission, bro?
Nigga, these niggas was chatting. I'm sitting here with the barbecue sauce talking about, let's go. These
Bro,
niggas chatting.
you have the car. You have the car, right? You have the keys and all. You could just walk away.
Nigga, I can't.
Eventually, they gonna come
leave
towards
the
you.
passenger,
This
bro.
nigga gotta walk home.
Man, you're not gonna take me home, Nick?
Do what?
This nigga face.
You better wait till that eating too.
Nick, why you didn't go home with you?
No, Nick, bruh.
You gotta go to the house.
Nick, bro, you're the funniest man. No cap. You said what?
You said mid.
Nick been had the host since freshman year. It was always Nick. It was always Nick. We was like, Nick, you're a demon, bro.
Nick was friendly as fuck.
Friendly demon Nick. Damn.
So we got plates.
Why you got that big ass bowl for like 8 tenders? I ain't gonna lie, the seasoning on that shit does look crazy good.
You want to see
You
this?
know what's crazy? He was talking shit about burgers. I was like, he about to use it.
Nigga, she was
Yeah,
giving
this
me
nigga
both.
talking about. Oh no, I know the ketchup. I want the
Let's calm
ketchup.
down, cause she was just gonna give me ketchup. This nigga, but what the barbecue sauce at, bro?
Nah, he was gonna cry if he didn't get the barbecue sauce. He was gonna. Yes, he was, bro. Jit was waiting here talking about, yeah, I can't wait till Nick come back so I can eat some real food while he fucking up applesauce.
Dumbass.
The time was flying by while you was gone, Nick, bro. It felt like you was gone for a day. This nigga Ant was on the phone and shit. I thought this nigga was asleep.
My nigga phone on the girl.